A book entitled Lapalang Ha Ri War, written by Dr Bashida Massar, was released by Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong at a function that was held at the St Anthony's College Auditorium on the 25th of July 2022 in the presence of Padmashree Dr Badaplin War, author Dr Bashida Massar, the Principal of St Anthony's College, Reverend Brother Dr Albert L Dkhar, the Director of the Department of Arts and Culture, W.A.M. Booth, the Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Father Victor Lyngdoh, the Rangbah Shnong of Lapalang Village, Primin Khongjee, former MLA K Dkhar, family members of Dr Bashida Massar, members of the Aroha Choir besides others. Mention may be made of the first book written by the same author entitled Fishes of Rimben Borhir, which is based on her extensive research of the Rimben River of Lapalang village.
Snow, kadar kanan ke mga buhang tu kibenta jogata ka aeroplane kebansa pin on snow tanam sisa kirang kanal snow tanam nanta kumabilate nyo sa asnang bon sen dari popor ka hadu mga dalami asnang malipuli ngayo malut ikijat patijat jimbang kiban khaw kiban asnang kibanawa kidawa kibalai kujat kibalai korukom uta utlen lo rapio fite utlen lo uta ngayo ba kidos kuminta ngayo ba magi por bagidande ni jula kayo bonja kitinga ka kiba menta kikina kimite su banjula ka nanda kiso ko bonja ni bang kiso kiba mi nakla fite dan kiso kiba dan su menta
Gracing the occasion as chief guest, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong expressed his appreciation at the effort made by Dr Bashida Massar in publishing a book that talks about her roots, especially about the village of Lapalang, which she hails from. Referring to the book as something which sharpens the mind as one reads it, Tynsong said that such books should be included in the collection of books at the State Central Library, Shillong, so as to inspire generations to come to pen down memoirs of personal observation and experiences that will last through posterity.
Nakadao, nakaliang sa surga, nagaplat po ng magkakajanbit, ba niya sa kilang, ba kajing perlay kira nagaplat, kabalat ho, dari Dr Bashida Massar. Kung nag-red mo na ikaw madam. Ikaw pun ba kiba nakang ikot, kiba kami kibuli. Tanpa puli tan siya tayo lah kadroy puli. Saguli mo pika na. Kapag kitang please kayo kayo kabya. Bukas look. Mulai kani kakot. Ngani puli. Kat nang puli kanang pa. Kat hinang puli kanang penbro iya kejadi. Kata di kakot. Kabagindai kan penrum. Hasil sentuhan. Untuk elektor misalnya. Kani kan di kakot kabagin penrum na hasil sentuhan. Ipateng jumi ibu pun. Kin buddhi, kin yo jimut, kin yo mensim, bantho, yang kakot, kau donjim. Lengau ini tenteng Malaysia tokot, long tik kubiya pergi kiwan. Don kita kuai mau kisah tentang sistem kenyok aja. Kalau muncul, kebangan api kalau nak dapat kalau iklim syampan, hiru bangsa, snow pa, dong ini kontribu, ke kebangiran, namun kada jelas.